Ever wondered how to recreate those irresistible KFC-style chicken tenders in the comfort of your own kitchen? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to homemade, fried goodness that will make your taste buds sing. The first secret to our KFC-style chicken tenders is the marinade. It's all about buttermilk. This magical ingredient is the key to tenderizing the meat and enhancing its flavor. By soaking the chicken tenders in buttermilk for at least 30 minutes, every bite will be packed with moist, delicious goodness. Next, we have the crucial step that gives these chicken tenders their irresistible crunch, the legendary triple coating technique. This technique involves dipping the marinated chicken tenders in a flour and spice mixture, then eggs, and back into the flour and spice mixture. Each layer adds to the crunch and flavor, creating a texture that's truly addictive. Now it's time to bring the sizzle. Deep frying the coated chicken tenders ensures that satisfying crispy exterior while keeping the meat inside tender and juicy. But don't worry if you're cooking in batches. A neat trick to keep those first batches warm and crispy until you're ready to serve is to pop them in the oven at a low temperature. And what's a fantastic plate of chicken tenders without an incredible dipping sauce? From honey mustard to buffalo sauce or even a tangy ranch dressing, the choice is yours. For those concerned about the calorie count, there's a healthier alternative. Instead of deep frying, you can bake the chicken tenders. Although the texture might be slightly different, the flavor will still be top-notch. In summary, the secret to irresistible KFC-style chicken tenders lies in the buttermilk marinade, the triple coating technique, and the cooking method. Paired with your favorite dipping sauce, these homemade chicken tenders are sure to be a hit. So go ahead, give this recipe a try and enjoy the delicious journey of making your own fried goodness at home.